I'm Ron. There's a conversation almost every man rebuilding after loss avoids, and it's not the one with his kids or his friends or his new relationship. It's the one he has with himself, usually late at night, when the story shows up and tells him that wanting to be happy again is a betrayal. Have you had that conversation with yourself? Have you ever caught the story mid-sentence, already building its case against you before you even ask the question? Have you noticed how that inner conversation always seems to start the same hard way? Here's the truth. The way you open a conversation with yourself matters just as much as the way you open one with anyone else. The story wants to open with blame. You're forgetting her. You're moving too fast. You don't deserve this. That's a hard startup. And just like in any conversation, a hard startup shuts the door before you've had a chance to think clearly. The story always leads with blame. The truth leads with I. You can't rebuild a life you won't even talk to yourself honestly about. This week's podcast episode goes deeper into the research behind why the first 30 seconds of any conversation, including the one in your own head, decide everything that follows. It's linked below if you want the full breakdown. And most important, remember, you are extraordinary.